Welcome to our English conversation course. In today's class, we'll learn how to talk about your daily life and morning routine in natural English. Hey, Sarah, you always look so active in the morning. What's your secret?
Oh, it's simple. I wake up early, around 6 a.m., and start my day with a short workout.
Really? That's great. I wish I could wake up that early. I usually get up around 8 or 9.
That's a bit late. You should try waking up early. It gives you more time to focus.
Yeah, I know. So what do you do after your workout?
I take a shower, have breakfast, usually eggs and toast, and then plan my day. I like to make a to-do list.
Nice. I usually just grab a cup of tea and scroll my phone for a while before getting ready.
That's so common, but it's better to avoid the phone first thing in the morning.
True. I'm trying to change that habit. After breakfast, I go to my classes. What about you?
Same here. I attend my university classes till noon, then I study or make notes in the afternoon.
Do you ever take a nap during the day?
Sometimes, yes. A short nap really helps me stay fresh.
I agree. In the evening, I usually go for a walk or play cricket with my friends.
That sounds fun. I prefer staying at home, watching English videos or reading novels.
That's great for improving English too. Do you study English every day?
Yes, at least 30 minutes daily. I watch English conversations like this one.
Perfect. So basically, your routine is healthy, productive, and disciplined.
Thanks. And yours is improving too, step by step.
Smiles. Yeah, I'm learning from you. Maybe soon I'll become a morning person too.
I'll believe that when I see it.
Now it's your turn. Write your daily routine in the comments and practice speaking it aloud every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English practice.